One double stacker system, 144 spaces, no extra floor. This is how Casa Mar in Broward County solved their parking problem. They were working with limited ground space at a high-end luxury condominium in southern Florida. Building up meant another elevated slab. 37,000 square feet of concrete, time, and cost they didn't need to spend. So they brought in the automated parking company. We installed 74 double stacker units, mechanical and hydraulic driven, and delivered 144 vertical parking spaces on a single level. The valet team manages all retrieval and stowing, so the resident experience stays smooth and upscale. This project was contracted by a prominent local general contractor and one of the largest developers in the U.S., and it's a model other developers are now paying close attention to. Whether you're mid-construction, planning a new project, or retrofitting an existing surface lot, double stackers can cut your cost per space, compress your build timeline, and maximize every square foot you already own. Triple and quad stacker options are also available for even greater density. Reach out now. Call 877-827-2611 or complete the form on our Contact Us page.